The class schedule is designed to help you search for your desired course or simply browse in a faster and more efficient way. To search, you can type keywords into the global search option at the top of the page. You may simply start typing and you will get results from all of the listed areas, or you can narrow the search by selecting one of the areas in the drop-down. You can also browse through the class schedule by clicking on any of the links on the index page. You can start by choosing a term and clicking on one of the groups, such as honors or online, or you may simply click on a desired category. Please keep in mind that you can also utilize the Switch College button below the current college logo. You may also use Schedule Builder located at the top right of the page, which is a tool designed to help you find classes more quickly and easily based off of your map plan and/or preferred times. For more information on Schedule Builder, please refer to this video. You may also use the Important Dates button at the top right of the page. This option is useful in the way that you can select your desired term and view important information such as start date, refund date, and final examinations. After searching or browsing, there is a faceted search panel on the left side of the screen with numerous filters to help you narrow down your search, such as choosing classes from both colleges simultaneously, term, category, which can include multiple selections, day and time, transferability, GE requirements, and units. Once you have found your class, you may add it to your shopping cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. Please note that adding a class to your cart does not guarantee enrollment. Log in using your student ID and password. As you add classes to your shopping cart, they are going to appear in your My Weekly schedule. If it's online or TBA, it will show up in the online or TBA panel at the bottom of the panel.